This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make New Zealand an infinite craft. First, let's get some basic components ready. Start by combining water and fire to create steam. Next, mix steam with earth to form mud. From there, take your new mud and add fire to it, which will give you brick. Lastly, don't forget to combine earth with wind to produce dust. These fundamental elements are your first steps towards a larger discovery. Continuing our journey, your next goal is to craft a planet. Take the dust you just made and combine it with earth to successfully form planet. With your planet now ready, the next crucial step is to merge planet with water. This important combination will efficiently yield ocean, a vital component for our further crafting. Ensure these new elements are saved and ready to be used. We are getting closer to our destination. With ocean now at your disposal, let's start shaping the landmasses. Combine ocean with earth to successfully create island. This small landform is a crucial stepping stone. Once you have crafted two separate islands, merge them together. This powerful combination will then successfully form a much larger landmass, a continent. These significant geological features are absolutely key to progressing towards our ultimate goal, New Zealand. We are now on the verge of crafting a major landmass. Take your newly formed continent and carefully combine it with your existing ocean element. This specific and important combination will successfully yield Australia. Having Australia in your inventory is a crucial geographical element that brings us much closer to our ultimate target. Remember to keep all your crafted items organized for efficiency. The final step is just around the corner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.